Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this ombre and freehand nail design. So I'm going to use my go-to white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, purple, just like a purplish pink by Creative Play called Drama Mama, and silver also by Creative Play called Polish My Act. So I'm going to apply those three colors onto a clean makeup sponge. I like this color combo. I've never done this before. I'm trying to, go out of the box and do crazier colors, but I thought this would be a unique color. The white and the gray are kind of, neutral colors, and then just add that pop of the purple polish. And I liked how it came out. You can use any colors you want. Now, it took me a while to do this. I always say that in all my videos. It took me a while. It does take a while to do an ombre, but I like the look of it. I like the finished look of it. Just gave it a nice, a nice unique look than my regular, you know, color combos that I usually do. But like I said, I like this. It was a little complicated to get the color as saturated or opaque as I wanted it to be. As you can see, I just removed the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. I didn't have to show that to you. I wanted to, get to the design and get it over with. So using my thin nail brush, I'm just going to draw two lines using black nail polish. You can use any nail polish you want or acrylic paint, or you can even use a striper. I haven't used a striper in a long time. I've gotten so used to using the brush. So now I don't know how to act. And I'm going to fill in the inside of the lines. Now, you can do this design without having to do the ombre. Just like a really cool design. I've never done this before. I wanted to do something different. I love how it came out. Take your time doing it. And you can do it on any part of your nail. You don't have to exactly do it like how I did it. And once I was done, I drew a second line. I just thought that second line just brought that look together. I thought if I left it by itself, it kind of looked like a Pac-Man, the game or whatever. So I decided to add the second line and just, give it a nicer look. And I like this. This is a really chic and I hope simple design that you can recreate if you want. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. Hope you like this video as much as I like doing this design. And here's the finished look. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.